Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl MJ.coyt and I am back to you guys with another video. Today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I got these beautiful butterfly locks. And guys, like, I really love this style. Like, it's so cute. And I figured out a way personally for myself how I figured out and how I like to do my butterfly locks. I did look at a couple of videos and a lot of those videos did not work for me. So hopefully the method that I found out for myself can work for you guys as well. Also, I want to give a quick shout out to YAFEINI customized jewelry. I had received this lovely necklace that says mmj.coyt and with a little butterfly on it. And I don't know if y'all already noticed, but like, I'm obsessed with butterflies. And they sent me it and it was so beautiful. They sent me in a little box and it came with my necklace. It came with a rag to clean my necklace with, and it also came with a coupon and a discount code. So if you guys want to go ahead and check them out, all the information will be in the description box below. And they're very affordable, y'all. They make some affordable necklace, so go ahead and check them out. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into the video. Okay, so hey guys, first to start off, I use 4 packs of Freetress water wave 22-inch crochet hair. Altogether, I did buy 7 packs of hair just in case I needed extra hair. Also, you're going to need some shining gem to slick down your hair and some nail glue. Okay, so I already did the back row of my hair and that's how it turned out, and I'm just showing you guys how that looks. And this is how the back looks. Do not make fun of my parting, y'all, because I am blind when it comes to parting in the back. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like when it's out of the pack. As you guys can see, that the hair comes in like individual curls or springs. Now once you have your one spring of curl, you just want to start distressing the whole curl so it can look like what I am doing. Okay, so once you have done that, I am just going to take my little crochet needle and push it through the base of my hair. Then I'm going to be taking my hair and I'm just going to be hooking that in and closing the little flap and pulling the hair through the base of my actual hair. Now you have 2 separate sides. You always want one side longer than the other, and personally I like the side that I wrap around to be the short side. So I'm currently tightly wrapping the hair around the base of my actual braid a couple of times before I start actually moving down, as you guys can see. And so you want to keep going until you get to the length of where you want the lock to be at. So I kind of like the lock to be at this length. So I'm just going to be taking my nail glue and I'm going to be sealing that in so I can move on to my next step. So now you have this end frail part, as you guys can see, and I'm just going to take that piece and I'm just going to wrap up upwards to the base of my hair. Now when I am wrapping, as you can see, I'm taking my index finger and my thumb, and I'm just going to be pinching the hair very gently and throwing it over, pinching very gently and throwing it over, and that's what gives it the distressed look. When you be aggressive with the wrap around, it's going to give more of a tighter look and it won't look as distressed. And so I had some extra hair, so I just went ahead and just went on back down the lock, and to seal my lock off, I'll just take some more nail glue and I'm just going to be nail gluing that tip. And so that's exactly how you do it. And so I'm just take a pair of scissors and I trim a lot of the excess flurries that I really don't want, but that's basically how you do it. And so I'm just going to be doing it again a couple of times just to show you guys, so you guys can get a clearer understanding. So you guys can see that I am just tightly wrapping around the base a couple times, and you could wrap as tight as you want it. I like my hair pretty tight so it can last a lot longer, and so as you can see, I'm just wrapping, just going down so I can just get the desired length that I want. And as you guys can see, I'm just taking the rest of the hair that's just been left out and I'm just gently wrapping it upwards. Now if you don't have enough hair to keep going upwards, you could just take some more hair of the spring or the water wave hair and just add it on and just keep wrapping. Now here you guys can see that my hair or twist did not go all the way back up, so I just grabbed a small extra piece of hair and started wrapping around from the top to the bottom so it could kind of complete that full look. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my makeup off camera, and now I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my cowrie shells. So I'm taking my cowrie shell, and as you can see, I had tied a little tiny black rubber band through the middle of it. I just placed it over it, and all I'm just going to do is just taking that, and I'm just going to put my lock through the hole of the rubber band, and that's really all that it is. Okay, now I plan on showing you guys two other styles that you guys can do besides the middle and the side part. I know the famous half up, half down with the two hanging in the front. So that is what I am going to be doing. And then if you want, you can always add a cute little scrunchie to accessorize it. Now this look is one of my favorite looks. What I am doing is I'm pulling all of my hair into like a top knot bun, and then I'm taking one scrunchie and just going around my hair kind of once to give it kind of a updo look with the cowrie shells hanging in my face. I think this look is very, very cute, and this is something that you guys can try. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you guys also learned something, and I hope that you guys like the 3 styles that I also showed you guys that you guys can do with these beautiful, lovely faux locks or butterfly locks. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell button so y'all can know whenever I upload a video. Also, you guys can follow me on my Instagram at mmj.coyt. I will see you guys later.